Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube, this is Wasay here and today we're going to unbox the Zhiyun Weebill S DSLR or your mirrorless camera gimbal in 2022. So let's begin the unboxing video. Here is the box of the Zhiyun Weebill S. I don't know the correct pronunciation of the company, if it is Zhiyun or Zhiyun. Anyways, here is the Weebill S model. So the Weebil S model was launched in 2019 and currently it's 2022, so it's around 3 and 4 years old gimbal. But the reason that I bought it in 2022 is that it's really cheap to buy. Now I got it box pack new for $225 and around 45,000 PKR if you're living in Pakistan like me. The reason why I bought this, that I have a Sony a6400 camera and it does not have any image stabilization, and it has the Sigma 18 to 55mm lens as well, which both don't have image stabilization. So in this way I can use it, and this gimbal is for your full frame cameras as well, so the APS-C cameras can work perfectly alright. So let's just unbox it. I am going to make a review video as well of this gimbal using my Sony a6400 and the Sigma 18 to 55mm f2.8 lens. If you are interested, I will put the link in the video description once I made it, or you can check out my channel. So on the front of the box you are going to get this Weebil S gimbal. As you can see, here is the gimbal Weebil S. On the side you are going to have this Weebil S, and on the other side it's going to be same. On the back you are going to get another picture of the gimbal, and on the bottom here you can see it got its IDs, and if I rotate the box you can see you can download its app from the App Store for Apple or iPhone users as well as the Android users. So I will put those apps links in the video description. So here are the accessory list that you're going to get when you're going to open this box. So these are different things that are available which we are going to see, and here again it says brand is Zhiyun, name is Weebil S, its voltage, etc, etc. So you can read them if you want to, but just open the box. So when you're going to get it brand new, you're going to have this seal. My seal is already open because where I bought it I just opened there to check if the gimbal is okay or not, because this is a 3-year-old gimbal. Anyways, let's just open the box. So opening the box, first we're going to get this Zhiyun, just some cardboard piece, nothing very useful. So let's slide out our gimbal. So now the box is empty. Putting the box aside, here are different things. So this is my warranty card for my local buyer. Other than that, here we're going to get, I think, our manuals and stuff. So let me open it. Okay, we got our Weebil S quick start guide, which you should read if you haven't used a gimbal before. Here we have a service card as well from Zhiyun. So here are the service centers, I think, which are available. Putting these things aside, here we have another thing. Okay, here we have Weebil S. So I think these are the other accessories that you can buy or how you can do it. So here you have it. Now let's move towards our actual gimbal as well. So it's going to come in this box. So this box ain't the permanent one like you see in the drones, not the highest quality. So anyways, putting this box aside, and here you're going to have your gimbal and all the stuff. First of all, let's move out our gimbal carefully. So here is our gimbal. So it is going to have some weight to it, as you can see. Here is our gimbal. On the back we got our little screen, which is not touch screen. We got our controls, our other buttons on the left side, function button, power on off button, and here we have another connection right here. Yes, it is. So here you got our type C connection as well. On the bottom you can connect your tripod, which is going to come with it. It's a little tripod stand, or you can connect it with your usual tripod. Same is for the back side, so that you can use it as a handle for lower shots. Putting that aside, here is the tripod that I was mentioning, as you can see. So you can just mount your tripod onto your gimbal, something like that, which is quite neat. And you also got a lock button on the tripod as well. so your gimbal can stand and you can balance it easily. Putting that aside, here we have some other things. First of all, we got the batteries. So it doesn't have built-in battery, you need to power or charge these cells, which is good if you're going to shoot for a whole day. For some case, if you forgot to charge your gimbal or your gimbal is out of battery, then you have to wait until the charge. But with the cells, you have the option that you can buy more cells, so you can in one way technically shoot the whole day using the gimbal, which is quite cool. Okay, here we have the charger for the cells. As you can see, we got positive sides on one side and the negative on the back, and it's going to have a type C connection, so you can connect it to any of your mobile charger. Here we have another plate for, I think so, for increasing the height of your camera when you're going to connect it with your gimbal, because in some cases the lenses are thick and the camera body is not thick. So in order to compensate that height, then you're going to use this bracket. After that, we got our plate as well, on which you're going to mount your camera. And here we have our small little goodies box as well. First of all, we got these 3 mounting screws as well. Other than that, we got these different cables. First of all, we got a micro USB to micro USB cable. Then we got a micro USB to, I think so, this was the old version, I really don't know this one's name. Here we got our another micro USB to micro USB cable. Here we got another one, so this is a micro USB to type C cable. And last but not least, our USB to type C cable to connect our charger. So here you can see one end of the type C is going to connect here, and the other end can be connected to your charger to charge your cell. So these are all the things that come in the box. Looking at the build quality of the gimbal, it's quite good. You can see it has some weight to it. So here we have this some metallic plastic kind of feel to it. Not sure if it is completely metal or not, but it is quite strong and sturdy. Here on the front side, we got this grip for better gripping of the gimbal, the feet as well, and you can use it like this, so two-handed for more stabilization. And you can also just open it from here and you can just attach it over here as well. So now in this way you can have lower gimbal shots as well, so that's quite cool. Other than that, we got our different locks for the gimbal. Just for example, here is our first lock for one axis. As you can see, if I open it, it's just going to go free. So these are going to help you when you're going to travel with this gimbal, so that it doesn't move in your bag, etc. On the bottom of the gimbal, you can see we got this compartment where you can insert your batteries which are still charging. And that's all for this gimbal. I wish they had 2 of these, because if you have it on the back, then you cannot place your gimbal somewhere, so you need any third party accessory so that you can mount one over back and one at the bottom. So here are the batteries that come with the Zhiyun Weebill S gimbal. Just for reference, here are its rating. As you can see, BTW INR, and it is a 2600 mAh 3.7 volt each cell. So in order to charge them, it's pretty simple. Here on the charger, you got a plus or positive sign and a negative sign, and both are same. And here on your battery, you also got a positive and a negative sign. So just align them with the marks on the charger, so it's going to go something like that. And here on the other end, I have just connected it to my Samsung's fast charger, and you can connect any charger like your iPhone. And when you're going to connect it, you're going to see that either the lights are going to be blue or red. In my case, one is blue, one is red. So the red light indicates that the cell is not fully charged, and the blue light indicates that the cell is fully charged. So here you can see that this cell still needs charging, while this one is
Here I have set up the Zhiyun Weebill S with my Sony a6400 camera. Currently it has the Sigma 18 to 50mm f2.8 lens. So I'm not going to show you how I balanced it. You can search on YouTube, it's pretty easy. Anyways, in order to power on the gimbal, on the left side of the gimbal, here you have a little power button, as you can see. So we're going to long press on the power button to power on the gimbal. And here you're going to see that the motors are going to work, and here is a little menu of the gimbal as well, if I can show you. So here you're going to have different options available, and you can just use the gimbal in a way like this. And so I will be making a full review video of this gimbal, whether it is worth buying in 2022 or not. So stay tuned for that video as well. For now it was just the unboxing video, and here is the front side of the gimbal as well. So guys, if you like this quick unboxing video of the Zhiyun Weebill S in 2022, like, share, subscribe. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Other than that, thank you for watching and stay safe.